Understanding Extended Warranties, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and often misunderstood concept that can affect your purchasing decisions: extended warranties. Whether you're buying electronics, appliances, or even vehicles, understanding what extended warranties are can save you both time and money. So, let's get started. Extended warranties are essentially additional protection plans that you can purchase to extend the warranty period of a product beyond the standard warranty provided by the manufacturer. These plans are designed to cover repair costs, parts, and sometimes even labor, after the original warranty expires. Think of it as a safety net that can help you avoid unexpected expenses if your product malfunctions or breaks down. When you buy a product, it usually comes with a manufacturer's warranty that covers defects or issues for a limited time. An extended warranty kicks in after this period, extending the coverage for a longer duration. Depending on the plan, it might be offered by the retailer, the manufacturer, or a third-party warranty provider. It's important to read the terms and conditions carefully, as coverage can vary widely. Some plans may require you to pay a deductible, while others might offer full coverage with no extra cost. Pros: peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered for repairs or replacements can be reassuring. Cost savings. In cases where repair costs are high, an extended warranty can save you money. Cons: additional cost. Extended warranties aren't free and can sometimes be costly. Limited coverage. Some warranties have numerous exclusions and may not cover all types of damage or wear and tear. Deciding whether to purchase an extended warranty depends on several factors. Product reliability. Research the reliability of the product. If it's known to be durable, you might not need extra coverage. Cost of repairs. Consider the potential repair costs without the warranty. If they're high, an extended warranty might be worth it. Personal peace of mind. If having extra coverage makes you feel more secure, it might be a good investment for you. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on extended warranties and helps you make more informed decisions about your purchases. Remember, the best choice varies from person to person and product to product. Always weigh the benefits and costs before making a decision. Stay smart, stay informed, and see you in our next video.